Ways to lock or unlock Kamonk Smart Lock KA-SL-01. Unlocking via fingerprint access.
Door unlocked.
Unlocking via RFID card.
Door unlocked.
Unlocking via numeric password.
Door unlocked.
Unlocking via dynamic password. A dynamic password can be generated by phone, for a validity of 5 minutes only by opening Kamonk app on phone and tapping on dynamic password. Copy the password to activate it. Now the password can be sent to the visitor to unlock the door.
Door locked.
Rub the back of your hand and punch in the dynamic password generated on Kamonk app.
Door unlocked.
Issue date and time. Define temporary numeric passwords using Kamonk app. Enter the password to unlock the door.
Door unlocked.
Unlock via mobile remotely. Touch on keypad and press 8 and then hashtag.
Operation success.
On your mobile, click on Open remotely. Confirm to get access. Now, the door will automatically open after you confirm it on your mobile.
Door unlocked.
Using the manual key to unlock in case of emergency. The lock also comes with an optional auto lock and silent mode feature. Record of user access. The lock also notifies the record of the users who entered and unlocked the door. It shows record with the date and time of door unlocked. Thank you for watching the video of Kamonk Smart Lock KA-SL-01.